Hi, my name's Paul Bradford and you're watching Cakeflix TV. Okay, so let's get started making this lovely sponge cake. So as you can see here, I've got all the ingredients all weighed out, so it's nice and easy. So we've got 500 grams of self-rising flour, 500 grams of butter that's been warmed in the microwave, just so it's nice and soft. We have 500 grams of caster sugar, 8 eggs, we have 2 lemon juice, the juice from 2 lemons, the rind from 2 lemons, and we have the poppy seeds in here, which I think is 40 grams of the poppy seeds. So that's all the ingredients. So the first thing we want to do is we want to cream the sugar and the butter. So yeah, so it has got a slight curdle look about it. I think it's definitely that butter. It doesn't normally look like that. So I'm going to scrape it down, just make sure there's definitely no lumps. So I'll just show you what that looks like. So just okay, so you can see there. Okay. Yep. Okay. Pop that back in there. Okay, and then what we want to do is just slowly start adding a wee bit of egg, a wee bit of flour, a wee bit of egg, a wee bit of flour back and forwards. Okay, so let's pop a little bit of egg in. Come on. Okay, and a wee bit of flour. Okay, so I've got the last little bit that I'm just about to add in, so just pop that in. Remember to sieve your flour as well, it's important to sieve your flour. Okay, bring that up. Now it looks fine, it's got a slight look that it could curdle, but it's definitely just holding itself together or not. Now if it does curdle, don't worry, you can still bake a cake when it curdles. It's just better if it's not, but it just, because once it goes in the oven, it generally comes back together again.
So what do you mean by curdle?
It just looks like it's split. It looks like the egg and the butter's not mixing together, and it kind of gives it that lumpy look. So again, if the camera's over here, so you can see that's not that bad. This one, it's fine. It's actually quite holding itself quite well together. Okay. Right. Okay. So what we want to do now. Right, as we want to add the lemon, the zest, add the poppy seeds, and we're going to mix them through and then slowly add in the juice, the lemon juice. So just mixing it through. It's usually because your egg and your butters should be at the same temperature, room temperature. So if your butter's cold and you put it in and try and do the creaming, and it looks a bit stiff, and then when you add the egg, that's when you can get a curdle effect happens, which is not nice. Right, look, this is looking good. Okay, I'm using a metal on metal. I should have got the wooden spoon out, but never mind. Okay, so now what we have to do is put it in the oven. So 150, it should be warmed up already. 150, as I say, for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. So we'll check it in an hour, let's see what it's like. I reckon it'll probably another 10-15 minutes. So I will see you in a wee jiffy. Right, so as you see here, we've got the ingredients ready for making the frosting. So we have 1 kg of icing sugar. We have 1 lemon, so we've grated it. We've got the rind, the zest. We've got the juice, which is not much juice, but it doesn't need that much juice actually. That may even be too much, just from 1 lemon. A wee bit of vanilla. We've got 270 grams of Philadelphia, and we've got 110 grams of butter. So I've got new gadgets. I don't do much buttercream, but I saw these from Cake Star. And it's just for doing all the patterns on the side of the cake or on the top. So I thought it would be a shot of just doing some wiggly lines on top of the cake. Right, so what I want to do now So we're going to add a little bit of icing sugar. So just maybe, what's that, about a third. There we go. That'll do. And then if we add the rind. There we go. And a wee splash of the lemon, but not too much, just maybe about half of that. There we go. Right, so just switch that back on again. And then we can just add, so I'm going to use just one lid of the vanilla extract. So that's about half a teaspoon. There we go. Okay, so that's been a couple of minutes, it's been on there. So just bring it up. Definitely looks good. It looks really, really creamy. Let's just have a look. Okay, yeah, so you can see a really nice consistency there. Okay, so you can see there we've got a really nice creamy consistency. It looks very smooth as well, it doesn't look very grainy, which is always good. So what we'll do is just move this out of the way. I'm going to bring this over here. Okay, so what I thought we'd do is to apply it to the cake, just because we're just doing it on top, is we'll just pipe it on and then just finish off with a wee bit of a comb over. Then I'm just going to pop that over here so it pulls it out there. That's better. Okay, and then we just want to then obviously fill the top. Actually, looks quite nice just like that. You can see all the bits of yellow, which looks lovely, nice and natural looking. So that looks nice just like that. And then I've got my wee fancy tools that I got. Look. Now I'm thinking maybe let's just see. Have a wee shot and just see what happens. No. So what we want to do is just get it smooth first, and then go over with that one. There we go. Lovely. Look at that. Fantastic. So there we go. So one lovely lemon poppy cake with a lovely cream cheese lemon frosting. Okay, so here we go. So I've just transferred the cake onto the wooden chopping board, and then I thought we could obviously there's not much to see, is there? So I thought we'd cut a wee wedge out of it so we can see what it looks like inside, and then we can just get the kettle on. There we go. Right. Let's see. Oh, lovely. Look at that. I'll just bring that right out. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks really yummy. Good. Oh, that's really good. Yep, very, very happy with that. See, it looks a nice consistency. Just a good. That's a good daddy slice portion, isn't it? That's a Paul portion. Okay, so that looks really good. Nice and yummy. It's got a good crumb all the way through. So I hope you've enjoyed watching it. So thanks to Mum for giving us another nice recipe, and I shall see you again soon. Bye! Thanks for watching Cakeflix TV. If you've enjoyed watching this tutorial and want to see it in full length, plus get all the tools and ingredients, just follow the link below. We would really love it if you could spare 1 wee minute to review our channel. It would mean the world to us. Thanks for watching Cakeflix TV. Thanks for watching Cakeflix TV. Don't know why I keep doing that. Thanks for watching Cakeflix TV. There was no pause. Thanks for watching Cakeflix TV. No.